gonna show you two AI tools, one for kids, I mean students, and another for teachers and adults. Okay, so our first AI tool is Cactus AI. Okay, now on tools. Okay, Cactus dashboard. Hmm. Now this AI not teach you. I mean, this AI will help you in writing essay, paragraph, and helping in solving questions of math, science, and different subjects. First, essay writer. Okay, Cactus essay writer. You just need to type the word that you want essay about, like water and World War III, War III, or anything. I just click generate, so it will generate a paragraph for you. It will also help you in solving questions. Okay. Text summarizer, like you have a PDF of 50 to 40 pages. Okay, you have to do nothing. If your teacher told you to write a small essay about it, you just need to use this text summarizer. It will create a summary of the whole PDF or the PDF if PDF is about. It can also create resume for you for your school, college. It can also create love letters. Lol, this was nice. And there are so many things you can do with this. So this one is for students. Now we have two AI tools. Students, now one for teachers. For teachers, the AI name is Quizgecko. Now this one is very beautiful AI. Okay. Now think what it will do. You don't know? I will tell you. Like you need to create so many questions about the topic, a school topic. Like green forest, okay? GREEN green forest. Think you're a teacher and now it will help you in making so many questions. Like I want multiple choices, okay? I want in English, difficulty easy, and maximum question 5, okay? You just need to type journey. Now green forest. Now what topic you need in green forest? Like I want ecosystem. I click on ecosystem journey. Now it will generate so many questions for you that you can ask in school, question paper, and many things. If you are a teacher, it will help you a lot. I used it many times. Like trees, correct. What is the primary raw material? Yeah. So you see, it will help you in making so many questions. Thank you for watching.